Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages. It doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen, and here all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. If you cannot find them in this option bar, just tap on the three dots icon and the options should appear right here. So let's enter the settings and tap on languages and types. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of currently installed or applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on manage input languages, and as you can see here, we've been transferred to the list of available languages. Here we've got downloaded languages, so it means that all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be applied. And under it, if you cannot find the language you'd like to use here, you have to scroll down to the available languages. And the only difference here is that you will first of all have to download it just by tapping on this download icon, and then it will be applied to this first section. So let me pick, for example, Arabic, because I would like to show you the actual difference between the keyboards. So as I said, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher. And now we can go back. As you can see, it has been immediately applied. And here we've got a new option, which is language switching method. So let's tap on it, and here we've got three different options again to choose from. So we've got the spacebar swipe, language key, and both of them. And I will pick this option in order to show you how to change the keyboard using two different options. So let's get back to the keyboard itself. And here we've got actually one difference. So we've got this language key, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Let's tap on it again and we've got English. And now let's check the spacebar swipe. So all we have to do is to simply swipe on spacebar. And we've got the Arabic, we've got the English. So it's quite easy in this device. So basically this is how to add the language to keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because usually you do not really need two different languages added. So let's enter the settings. Now let's tap on languages and types, and here we have to again enter manage input languages. And as you can see here, all we have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on particular language, I mean on the language which we would like to remove, so in my case Arabic. And after getting back, you can see that we've got only English, and on the keyboard we can see that actually we cannot see the globe icon, and the swiping method do not work because we've got only one language applied. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.